Hey everyone! In this short lesson we are going to see an extension we can install to our browser in order to be able to preview data locally and on the web, but we will have both options. We'll see the differences afterwards, but first I will show you how we can install that extension. So we'll click here and then install extensions. It will download us the extension. I will click on it. I will click run anyway. I will save it in C, it's fine for me. I will open here, click BI. Okay, you can put it wherever you want. I put it in click BI folder. I will do OK, submit. Alright, software were successfully installed. I will click OK. So what this is doing is that this enables us the option to switch if I click again here and then I go to select how data is displayed. So we have two modes, the web browser and the local desktop. We will see the differences when we will start to build the model. I will show you how the preview is looking in the web browser and how it looks in the local desktop. Alright, so this is the installation for the extension. Thanks and see you soon.